Okay guys, I want to show you guys where I'm staying at for a few days at my uncle's house. So we are in Bulacan, Santa Maria, and I want to show you guys the front of his house. I'm gonna walk across the street, and so this is his house here, and as you could see, the front of his house is actually the neighborhood store, like a supermarket or the grocery store. So which is pretty cool, surrounded by banana trees, and across the street you'll see on our next video, or on this part of the video, was I'll give you guys a walking tour of his farm and his mahogany trees and some fruits or mangoes trees. So and what inspired me the most and what's amazing what he did on his farm was he planted all those mahogany trees. So he pretty much like built a whole forest there. So you'll see how big and how many acres. I think it's like 20 acres. I can't remember, but it was just amazing how he built his own a tree farm. So let's show you guys around. So you have to be careful walking down this crossing the street because it's very narrow road. As you can see, they really go close to you when you're trying to cross the street, so you have to really be careful. All right, we go across the street. So now we're gonna show you guys what do you have in the store. As you can see, we also sell ice. Look at that, for the whole neighborhood. And we also sell live chicken and eggs, which is kind of cool. And that's, I don't know if you're following my Instagram, I also have live chickens back in the state. So hi Ate Belen. Hi. So I'll give you guys a tour on his store. They sell instant coffee, pretty much everything they sell here. Look at this. Wow, this is the first time I'm seeing this store as well. So they have bread also. I think they have cold drinks, maybe ice cream. I don't know, but I have to be nosy and check it out. But this is all what he sells. Wow, this is amazing. See that? So people in the neighborhood just walk to this door or the window, and they just pretty much tell them what they want to buy, and then they'll just provide it. So this is like their sari-sari store. Look, they have all the canned goods, corned beef. Oh, my favorite, corned beef. They have Ligo sardines, different type of brand. Wow, stuff that I would love to eat. Look at this. They even have Mang Tomas. You guys gotta try this. This lechon sauce. Wow, this is pretty cool. So yeah, so this is where I'm staying at for a few days before I head out to Manila and do some food vlogs. So this is pretty cool. Yeah. Hello po ate. Hello po tita. Darin po. Nice to meet you po. Ano po pangalan niyo?
Pag-alaga akong baboy.
Ano po?
Silita.
Silita po. Ate Silita. Tita Silita.
Yan ang taga-pag-alaga ako ng baboy.
Oh, sa baboy po. Oh. Mahilig rin po ako mag-alaga ng baboy. So she takes care of the pigs and I love to take care of the pigs. So
Dito na sa iba, ba't mag-alaga tayo?
Opo, marunong po ako. I don't know if people know, but I used to take care of pigs back when I was 8 to 12 years old. So that's why I could take care of pigs too. So that's so cool. And this is my auntie. Auntie Taneng or Auntie Taleng. Thank you for having me. I was just showing everyone your beautiful store here. And look, we have everything here. Nice. Cool. Si Ate Belen. Hi, Ate Belen. She's preparing some ice. Look. We sell this po, no? Yeah, so we sell the ice. We repack them and we sell them, which is cool. That's awesome. Very cool. And this is another kitchen. So I'll be doing more tour about this, my uncle's house, my auntie's house, that they're hosting me here. So stay tuned, guys, and thank you for watching the video. Look, guys.
Real mangoes.
Parang ano, real mango. Jade and Jacob, look, you guys love mangoes. Look at this, guys. Oh, they call it puto or steam bun with cheese. Steam bun. And then fresh coconut. Put it on top. That's how you do it. Nice. Good. Wow. Lambot. It's moist. Sarap. Wow, it's so moist. Lambot. Auntie's cooking. Cooking sinampalukan manok. Wow. Which is we're using real sampalok. Wow, we're using real sampalok, guys. That's where we're gonna get the sourness of that. It's not granule, it's not powder, right? It's not instant.
Hindi nga,
It's the
powder
real
na,
deal.
walang sampalok na.
Oh, okay.
Meron sampalok yung taramento.
There you go. And we cook, this is our own chicken pot, di ba po?
Yes.
Yeah. Look at this, guys. This is chicken, backyard chicken. Backyard. Oh wow, look at this. We have fish too. Ano po to, auntie?
Ano bang isda ito?
Tulingan?
Hindi, yellowfin daw.
Oh wow, yellowfin tuna? Wow, ito tuna. Ano pong klaseng bird po to? Martinez breed. Wow! Nag-beatbox. Wow! Did you hear that, guys? He was doing some beatboxing. I just heard someone scream taho outside, and I know what that is. It just connected me on my childhood memory. Hello po. Taho. Taho tayo.
Malaki pa?
Yung verde daw.
Hello kuya. Ano pangalan niyo kuya?
Tom po, Tom.
Tom. Hi Tom. O si Darren. Okay lang po.
Apo.
Wow, look at this guys. Taho. This is the tofu. Wow, look at this. This is good for breakfast and still hot and warm.
Kautin ba ko ito? Yung dalawa na.
There you go. We're gonna put the that's the syrup, right? Yeah.
Sago.
The sago. Tapos yung ano, yung
Arnibal.
arniban.
Arnibal.
Arnibal. Oh yeah, arnibal. Para siyang vanilla, para pang vanilla po, di ba? Tapos yung ano, yung arnibal ang tawag. Wow, look at this. Salamat Kuya Tom. Oh man, look at this guys. Wow, look at this guys. Thank you Kuya.
Thank you.
Look at this guys. This is taho. I heard Kuya Tom was screaming taho and I immediately remember what that means. That means they walk around the neighborhood and they said that taho word. Let's give it a try. Matamis. Alright guys, we're gonna give this a try. Taho. Whoa, what's that? Wow, so good. So it's warm and gooey, but it's good with tapioca or sago. Nakatakot. Nakatakot. Okay guys, we're walking to the farm. My Uncle Ruben is here. Kuya Dubs. Myself and Faye.
Dahil sa init, oh.
Mulberry na.
Oo. Ayun na, ano,
Oh wow,
dahil sa
look at
init.
this. It is a berries po, di ba?
Oo.
Wow,
Ang
look at this,
diferensya, natuyot na, ano, dahil sa sobrang init.
Oh, sa kakulang po ata ang tubig, no? Okay guys, look at the berries. Wow!
Matamin sana.
Yeah, I remember this. Para pong ano eh. I remember this. Berries mo ba ito? May iba pang Tagalog na... Oh.
Tanim ni Francis yan.
Oh, look at these berries, guys.
Francis may tanim
It's
yan.
really good.
Ito pa.
What fruit is this po?
Ano yan, yung tinatawag na miracle fruit.
Miracle fruit.
Oo.
Wow, I never seen this. Hindi ko po alam to ah.
Ano yan, yung...
Wow.
Ano, parang gamot yan.
Ah.
Gamot ang kwan.
Wow, look at this, guys. This is the first time I've seen this miracle fruit. It's it looks like just a regular tree, but then I thought it was coconut. Look, but it's not.
Tingnan,
Wow.
yung tingnan mo, sa tindi ng dragon fruit.
Wow, look at this dragon fruit, guys.
May tinik yung
Wow,
Ito.
look, that's the dragon fruit. I never seen a full-grown dragon fruit before.
Ayan mo.
Oh wow, look at this.
self-pollinating na ini na.
Oh, self-pollinating. That means no bees, right? No bees,
Oh, yan.
no bugs. Wow, look at this.
Pero matamis yan. Ay, sa tindi na.
Wow, this one po, nagsusurvive po to, nagtatribe po to, no?
Oo,
Kasi yung
dinidilig
floor po,
namin,
looks like,
pero ano, pagdating na medyo malamig na ang panahon, medyo ano yan, malalaki na ang kwan yan. Kaya mo,
Oh wow, look.
nahihinog na, oh. Nahihinog na yan. Ito. Medyo nahihinog na.
See this, guys?
Pag medyo malamig na ang panahon, maraming bulaklak yan, parang ganyan, oh. Marami. Ganon. Ay, ito, tingnan mo, sa tindi ng init, mainit
So
talaga.
look at this, guys, because right now there's a heat wave. Oh, uncle, ano ata to? Live wire?
Labwari.
Live wire. Because of the heat wave that's going on right now, look. It's thriving to make fruit. Wow, this is nice. All right, all my electrician friend, I'm sure this one will give you anxiety. Wow,
Ito sa
we're
amin.
going to the other side of the farm.
Yan, yan lahat yan. Hanggang dun. Ganon.
Oh, dito, wow, that's yours too. Okay.
Oo, yan. Lahat eh. Ito. Oo.
My uncle was about to build a warehouse here for storage, but instead, because there's a high demand of rental here, he decided to make it as a rental property, which is this one here.
Ilang kwarto?
Ito kwarto. Yan. Sala. May kusina.
Hello po. So one ano po to, one bedroom.
Oo. Pa isang bahay ganun. Imbis na bodega. Nagawa.
This is the bedroom. Look at that. So that's the bedroom right there. They have workers right now building this apartment. Hello po. Ang ganda po ng ginagawa nyo ah. Pwede pong masilip. Pwede po masilip. Hello po. Darin po, anong pangalan nyo?
Bochog.
Bochog. Bochog po? Bochog. Hello, nice to meet you. Darin, hi, how are you?
Vlogger?
Opo. Wow, look at this. Oh, that's the kitchen po. Yeah. Tapos bathroom po yan. Wow. Manual, oh. Talagang ano. Ang ganda kuya. Wow, look at this on the floor. Wow, that's nice. Ang ganda nito, oh. Look, it looks like a wood, but it's tile. Tile po, no? Ceramic. Ang ganda. Salamat po, kuya. You're hardworking. Look at this, guys.
Pero walang division.
This is the mahogany po lahat to, no?
Oo.
Wow, look at this rain. It's like a rainforest. Wow, look at this. Look at these mahogany trees. Wow, it sounds so peaceful. This is all my uncle's land right here. All mahogany trees. For lumber. So he built this for, he planted all these for lumber. Wow, can you guys hear that? Wow, can you just hear that peaceful, I don't know, crickets, or you could hear it. I don't know if you guys could hear that in the camera. I think those are,
Yan, makita mo gano'n ka.
wow guys, look. So we're walking through the forest of my uncle's mahogany trees to get to the other side po, no, uncle? No?
Yung puno nito,
Sa inyo.
sa amin.
Wow, look at this, guys. Wow. This is huge. Uncle, sa inyo lahat to.
Oo.
Oh my God, this is a big land.
Mas malaki yung sa Tarlac.
Oh yeah.
Oo.
Look at this guy, rows of mahogany tree. Mahogany tree.
Ang
Wow.
mahal niyan.
And these are Uncle, mahal daw to. This expensive tree. For lumber po, di ba, Uncle?
Mahal yan.
Yeah, look at this, guys. Mahogany is like one of the strongest lumber po, no, Uncle?
Oo.
And look, guys. Wow, rows and rows of mahogany tree. You planted this, Uncle?
Oo.
Wow.
Ito, kaya nagkaganito ito. Dati palayan ito.
Opo.
Ngayon, Francis, dahil may edad na raw ako, ayaw na niyang magtanim ng palay.
Opo.
Tinaniman niya ng mahogany.
Oh, wow. So this used to be rice field.
Rice field dito.
Rice field po.
Dito kami naggakan ng palay.
And then instead, he converted this into a mahogany tree farm. Wow, look at this. Guys, so all these trees here, my uncle planted. He created a forest, guys. Look at that. A jungle. Wow, it's so nice and peaceful here. Wow, I can't believe my uncle planted all these trees, guys. Acres of land. Wow, that's amazing. I'm like in beyond belief. My uncle just did all these.
Kakahulog na lang.
Wow, look at this, guys. These are mango tree, Indian mango, the smaller version of mangoes. No, Uncle, no? Oh, right there. There's may nalaglag po. There you go, guys. These are the Indian mango. I want to show you what it looks like. Oh, there. Oh, this one is fresh. Look at this, guys. Indian mango. It's a smaller version, but it's good to eat while it's still ripe because it's crunchy.
Natitira lang.
Look at that, guys, and look at the tree. Huge tree, Indian mango tree. And these are the mahogany forest that my uncle planted. Wow, look at that, ang dami, oh. A lot of trees. Uncle, I still can't believe you did all these. Wow, that's amazing.
Ay lalo na yun sa Tarlac namin. 23 hectares.
Wow.
Ito lang ito.
So, yung sa Tarlac po, puro mahogany tree rin.
Hindi.
O, wala pa po.
Gimilina.
Hindi.
Ibang klaseng kahoy. Puti.
Oh, okay. Different type of trees. Wow, look at
Yan,
this, guys.
mapakarami.
Eh, mataas na yan. May nakaakyat. Inaakyat ko pa dati.
Hindi, pasusungkit. Ang daming nahalagod.
You see the smoke? That's the dry leaves that they set on fire to shoo away the pesky bugs.
Pakarami.
And look, there's so much mangoes. You just fall down the ground. Tabi-tabi po.
Wala ka sa ganon, ha?
Look at this guy, giant ant. They call it antik. Hopefully you guys could see that in the video. See that? They attack. Oh man, I wish you guys could see this. I hope you guys could see this in the video. Those giant ants.
Lagay mo sa Facebook.
They really attack. When you climb the tree, they attack. So back in the days, I remember you actually have to rub yourself with ashes to protect yourself from the antik, the giant ants. So they won't bite you. Whew. It's hot too. I think already lost 2 pounds. Pawis.
Sauna.
I love it. Para lang ako nasa sauna. Nag-training ako. Yeah, so before I head out to the Philippines, I was in the sauna 4 times a week to train my body from sweating and the heat. Yeah, which is I love it. It's like it feels like it's very humid, so it feels like the low setting on the sauna, the dry sauna. So
Malaking bagay yan.
yeah, it's actually good. It's good for you, right? Look at the turkeys. Pabo. This is pabo. I used to get chased by the pabo when I was young. Wow, guys, we're in the pig farm. I used to take care of these pigs in Muntinlupa. Then I gotta show you guys this. I got something special for you guys. Check it out, guys. Boom. Jeep. They call it owner, right? Owner in the Philippines. Look at this, guys. Wow. I wish I could ship this home.
Walang ganyan na.
Yeah, look at this, guys. All stainless steel. My God, look at this. I gotta show you guys. Oh my God, it's so nice. Looks lowered, all stainless steels. Oh, aluminum, no? Aluminum. Aluminum.
Oh, stainless na.
Stainless steel, right? Stainless steel. This stainless steel. And look, this is what I like about the Jeep or owner. It's like the military one. It's actually based on the military world, right? It's a military Jeep. So see this knob here? It loosened it up. This windshield folds
Made by
down.
Apple.
And it's Apple. Powered by Apple. Wow. Look at this. I wish I could take a video as a whole. Oh wait, if I go here, you guys could see it. Can you guys see that? Wait. Let me go here. Look at this Jeep. Wow, this is my uncle. So he used this as a truck, right?
Yeah.
Wow. So look, he used this for hauling. See how roomy in the back here. Ganda. Let's see. See the inside. Wow, literally it's just like stainless steel everywhere. Wow, that's nice. And this is the house I'm staying at in Bulacan. You look at this mango tree. Look at this mango. Wow. I could just literally open my mouth. Wait for it to fall in my mouth. Wow. And then if you walk this way, look, this is an outside kitchen. Outside stove. Look at this. This is the outside stove for the firewood. That's the province life. Actually, this is not even, I don't consider this a province. It's nice here. But this is the washer machine, I guess. This is the washer machine. Totally different from the States. And here's the driveway to the front of the house. And this is the outside kitchen and dining room. Okay guys, look, perfect timing. It's so hot in the Philippines right now, but look, it started to rain. Ay ate. Wow, look at this guys. Wow, it's raining hard. Hope you guys can see that. Hopefully you guys could hear it too. So I'm gonna walk this way because of the roof. Hopefully you guys could see you could hear the rainfall. Wow. Look at that.